Good morning, welcome back. Well, good morning for me. Man, I can't believe how cool it is this morning. It's 55 degrees in Tampa. That's just crazy. But I like rocking hoodies, so. But anyway, hopefully this is gonna be part 3. I typically don't film intros prior to being out knowing I caught something. But it's an overcast day. As I said, it's 55 degrees, so hopefully I can get on a top water bite. If not, I got some shrimp and some crabs to drop around structure. And hopefully I get into something. We'll see. Stay tuned, baby. So these aren't the conditions I hoped for, but I'm gonna do what I can. It's a lot cooler than I anticipated. I did check the weather, but I thought the fog would lift and the clouds would dissipate, but it doesn't look like so. It's 54 degrees right now. That's so crazy. I'm actually excited though. Hopefully I can get on a drum bite. I don't know, we'll see. Got a lot of structure to fish and the time to do it. Like all this stuff right here is just prime real estate. Start off with a 1 ounce get wet jig. A little piece of frozen shrimp, just like that. See if anybody's home. I want to stay out of the wind too. There's a bridge behind me that I'm gonna look at in a minute, but since I'm over here, so nothing doing around the barges. Just saw a huge swirl right in front of me. I thought it was a dolphin, but I don't think so. Woo, this look good. Having some technical issues. Although my finder's showing me the depth, it's not showing me bottom. Might be some corrosion on my transducer, or the pins might be a little bent. Hey, crabby. Let's see if I can snatch him up. Should have used my hand. Oh, this stuff looks great. Not what we want. Let's go try something new. Fish. Oh man, dang it, and he swallowed it. Can't get away from these things today. No! Okay. Manatee. Couple of them. Thought they were dolphins. Hopefully they're not coming over here. Looks like they're coming over here. Oh yeah. When these fools spook, they freaking explode. That's not something I want to be around. So it's been slow, except for about a handful of catfish. Ran into some manatees. I don't know if I got them on film or not, but I'm just trolling my way out, try to get out of this wind to some smoother, calmer water and see what happens. I'm trolling a 3-inch storm swim bait. A few little hits, just like that. My guess is ladyfish or small snapper. Slow day overall, but we still at it. Okay. Some mullet jumping, baby. It's a good sign. Come on, baby. Huge explosion. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. Is that on it? Come on. Right when I said that. That's what we want to see. Look decent too. So we can make something happen here. Gosh, right there, baby. Yes, yes, sweet, nice snook, baby. Followed it in. How about that? Right there. How about that? Get in there, get in there. Come on. Come on now. Yeah. How about that? Yes, sir. Hopefully you didn't get the lens. Nice. Now we on the board, baby. Awesome. Nice little snook. No, he's not my 40. He's not my 40, right? But I'm making progress. I'm gonna get it. I got faith. Low pencil snook. They're really cool fish. Uber aggressive as well. I like them, man. Yes, sir. I like them a lot. Just want that big one, you know? Cool fish. Let's get another one. Man, this sun coming out, getting a little warm. Hopefully the fishing heats up as well. Back to back, baby. Oh, he spit it. That was a smaller one. Nice. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Seem like they're hugged up against this rock wall here. Oh, there's one. Yep, got some fish working here. Nice, baby. Let's go. Well, it seems like every time I come over here, right when I get over here, freaking dolphin shows up. Dang it. I've never fished that area. Oh man. It's probably the same one too. It's be living over here, bothering me. It's most likely I'm bothering him for real. Oh shit, look at, he's right there. Don't do that, bro. Get your ass popped out here. I see you. So I made it across the channel here. I'm marking some fish. No surprise. Yes! Oh my gosh! No! Come here! Oh, where is he? There he is. Stay on there. Yeah! Yeah! Not this top, baby. Come on! Get in there! No! Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Ah, come on. Yeah. Yes. Ah, yeah. Yes. Oh, yeah. Come here. Ah, yeah. Got you, baby. That's what we wanted. Oh, yeah. Nice snook. Thought he was bigger, but still, nice fish. Oh, yes! Let's go. Oh, that's exciting, man. Whew. Yes. Yeah, baby. Nice fish. It's probably close to 20 inches. I think the slot's 24, I'm not sure. But I ain't interested in keeping them. I think they're real cool, man. Heard they're good to eat, but again, just want to let them go. Alright, beautiful fish. Thank you, buddy. Let's get him back. There he goes.